What?
My name is Vijay Holder. I am the Deputy Director of the Mauritius Tourism Promotion Authority. Our objective is to update all the stakeholders in what is happening in Mauritius, so that they can sell better the destination. Well, we have been here many times, but now we are putting more focus on. We will be more present in this market. Will be coming every 3 months on the market. We have our people. They will come and they will brief everybody, and they will assist the tour operators and travel agents who want to sell in Mauritius. Because Mauritius is unique. It's unique. The culture is unique because out of India, I don't think you will get the same culture. If you are in Mauritius, you are at home. The same people, we speak the same language, we food is the same, but you are still in a foreign language country. No, we do not offer packages. How we work. We make the promotion of the destination. We leave it to the private sector, the hoteliers and the tour operators to sell Mauritius. So we help them. We give them incentive, but we give to them, not to give some incentive, like my incentive. Those who bring say 200 people or more, we give them incentive. We organize a welcome for them. We organize a show for them. We also participate. We also give them cash incentive also. Usually, every year we get at least 10 big Indian fan weddings, a very big one. So we have all the facilities available in Mauritius. We also give facilities to those wedding planners who bring them to Mauritius. We give them cash incentive. We give them a show. We give them some. We organize a dinner or lunch for them. So we are very much conscious that bringing those people, because a lot of people who come for the wedding, they come back again. They come back with their children, and a lot of them, once they are in the wedding, there are a lot of weddings. The alliance has been formed there, and they come to Mauritius again to have their wedding, and they stay for their honeymoon. Every year we get around 1.3 million, and 1.3 million was last year. 1,341,000, but this year we were expecting 1.4 million, and we're expecting a 5% increase. So now it's a bit slow, but during August, September, October, and the whole school holidays, it will grow. So we're very confident we'll end up by 5% increase. We are promoting everywhere, very aggressive. We are going to many cities. We are having a 5-city roadshow. We went to Chandigarh, we went to Pune, to Nagpur, and then now we are in Hyderabad, and then we are going to Calcutta. So we are, keeping them very much informed of the destination, what are the offerings and everything. No, it's totally false. It's totally false. I don't know, I have never heard this one. It's 100% you're secure, you're safe in Mauritius. Even a woman can walk, a lady can walk at midnight anywhere on the island. It's very safe. You can leave your things wherever you want, but at least your money and all these things you should not leave. But it's very safe. People are very hospitable. They are very friendly. We never had any incident with any tourists. Well, the crime, some happens, some of them happens, but it's not with tourists. There is no direct flight from Hyderabad, but you have direct flight from Chennai, from Bangalore, from Mumbai and Delhi. We have 5 flights from Mumbai and 2 flights from Delhi. In peak season it becomes free, and we have 1 flight from Chennai and 1 from Bangalore. During peak season it becomes 2 flights. So we operate at least Delhi from India. I really I don't know, but it is less than, it is about 40,000 rupees. What I talked to a Mauritius, it's about 40,000 rupees, and maybe from Delhi it may be 50,000 rupees just as the airfare. And if you make a package, it so depend on the hotel you choose and number of days you want to stay. So the package will, the number of days and the type of hotel you choose, that will dictate the rate of the hotel, of the package.
My name is Vivek Anand. I am the country manager for Mauritius. I handle the Indian market. Now coming to the road shows, we do the road shows because these are very, very important for the Indian travel trade to connect with the Mauritian partners, and by partners I mean the hotels, the DMCs, the activity companies and the airlines, so that they can understand the offerings of the Mauritian partners, and they can rework their strategy accordingly. They can strike commercial deals, of course, and they get more information. And what we do is we do normally trying to do 2 roadshows in a year. There's a tier 1 roadshow which is from the Air Mauritius online points in India, which is Delhi, Bombay, Chennai, Bangalore. And the tier 2 roadshow, what we've done this year, we started in Chandigarh. From Chandigarh we moved to Pune, Nagpur. Today we are in Hyderabad, and tomorrow we're going to Calcutta. And we've got a very good response. Approximate, if I put it, it's we have 100 travel agents, 100 plus at every city, and it's been a very fruitful discussion between our partners and the travel agents in the Indian market. See, what we as a tourism board, we promote it in various categories. So of course there are the honeymooners, because Mauritius is a very famous honeymoon destination. And then destination weddings, of course. We get some large weddings from Mauritius, from India to Mauritius. There was in fact 2 years back a wedding which had about 800 people. And we had a large wedding from Hyderabad also at that time. That was I forget the name of the people. And they had chartered a plane to go from Hyderabad to Mauritius. So that is one segment, weddings, honeymoons. Then there is the families, because Mauritius is a very child-friendly country. So it's, when parents come with kids, it's very good for them. And then there is golf, which is an important segment. We have 10 beautiful golf courses in Mauritius. Each one, actually more beautiful than the other. Then we have a lot of adventure sports. We have art, we have culture, and not to forget the cuisine, because you get the best of European cuisine there, the best of Indian cuisine, and for the vegetarians, even the Jain food is available. So there is something for everyone. The other aspect of Mauritius is that it has got the second cleanest air in the world. I mean, I come from Delhi, which is the most polluted city in the world. I mean, it's Delhi, Beijing, they compete for the lowest place. Also, a survey has found that Mauritius is one of the 10 safest places on earth. So it's good, for tourism. The first thing is people should feel safe wherever they go. It's a small island, very clean, very green, very beautiful, lot of things to do. Mauritius is an all seasons destination. So right now we will start winter in there. Peak winter in Mauritius, day temperature 24, 25, evening, night low will be 16, 17. And so that is the summer season in India. It's, temperatures are more than 40. So I would ask people to go at that time. But having said that, even when we look at the Mauritian summer, it's a very mild summer. It is 32, 33 maximum. And at night it is 20, 21. So even that is very nice. So one can go, whenever. And the connectivity is good. So we have Air Mauritius connecting from direct flights from Delhi, Bombay, Chennai, Bangalore. We have Emirates connecting via Dubai from 9 points in India. We have Air Seychelles connecting through Seychelles from Bombay. And we have Air Austral connecting via Reunion through from Chennai. So we have good connectivity, and we are trying to now get some Indian carriers also to fly directly to Mauritius. So last year we had 87,000 tourists, and this year we are looking at increasing it by a few %. But that depends entirely on the connectivity. It's very difficult for me to put a package cost, because I am representing the tourism board. We promote the destination. So best thing for people who want to buy packages is to either go to their travel agent or book online. That's better. And package cost depends a lot on the star rating of the hotel that you use. That is one. Other thing is how many activities you are doing there, because each activity is costing some money. It also depends on the the class that you travel in airline. You're traveling economy, you're traveling business. So there are many factors, many variables in the package cost.